Next we can see the case of body-centered cubic. In the body-centered cubic, one more atom is there in the center of the cube. So the coordination number will be 8. All the atoms at the 8 corners will be equidistant from, that is the nearest distance. So in this case, coordination number n is equal to 8. And nearest neighbor distance, that the method you have already studied in your degree class. So we can take this side AC you can find out here. This sides A and A. So the diagonal of that will be root 2A. Then this side, this AC will be perpendicular to the body diagonal. So the nearest neighbor distance, how can you find out the nearest neighbor distance? That will be that is one atom will be at the center, then one atom will be at the opposite corners of the cube. So all these atoms will be at the minimum distance. All these are in contact with each other. So that much length should have this A. How much of this A side? So each atom will have the radius of R. So at the center you will have how much distance? 2R for the for the atom that is completely included in the cube. So 2R is the this diameter of that central atom. Then 1/2 part of the atom in the upper part and 1/2 part of the atoms in the lower part. So the total distance will be equal to 4R at the diagonal. That is FC will be equal to 4R. FC will be equal to 4R. So how can we find out FC square is equal to 2A square plus A square, that is equal to 3A square. FC square will be equal to, you can take these two are perpendicular. This A square, one side FC and the other this AC. Not FC. That is one mistake is there. You have to rearrange that. That is it is not FC, it is FA. You have to change that. FA square is equal to 2A square plus A square, that is equal to 3A square, and FC is equal to 4R. So you can equate FC square is equal to 3A square. So FC is equal to root 3A. So here you have to change the, or you have to change this point should be changed. So this is from the corners are A and F. The opposite corners are A and F. So we have to find out the distance AF. Okay, we have to find out the distance AF. So AF square we have to find out. That will be AC and this FC will be perpendicular, and the this hypotenuse of that triangle, that is instead of FC you have to write here as AC. So AC is equal to 4R. So AC square equal to 3A square. So AC is equal to root 3A. So AC is nothing but 4R. So 2R will be equal to 4R is equal to root 3A. So 2R will be equal to AC by 2. That will be equal to root 3 by 2A. So 2R is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. So that is the equation. 2R is the nearest neighbor distance. Nearest neighbor distance is, in all cases, nearest neighbor distance is 2R, and that is related with the lattice parameter in this case as root 3 by 2 into A. In the other case, it is 2R is equal to A. So here it is some value. How much is this value? Root 3 is some 1 point value we have divided by 2. So it is the distance is 2R distance will be some root 3 by 2 into A. So in this case you can find out the atomic packing factor, that is the whole, how much atoms are the 2 atoms. So its volume will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. So 8 by 3 pi r cube. Then for A you can substitute from here. A is equal to 4 into R divided by root 3 the whole cube. You can cancel and the value is found to be 0.68. So here it is also less than 74%. So the packing factor, atomic packing factor, or we can consider it that this body-centered cubic is also a loosely packed structure. So more space is needed here. The side length, what about the side length? Side length in this case, side length will be, in the first case it will be 2r will be equal to, so this side will be equal to 2r. Two atoms can be placed here, but here it will be 2r is equal to, or a will be equal to 2 times 4r by root 3. So from that you can what conclude, you can, so it will be in the other case a is equal to 2r, only here it is 4r by root 3. So root 3 is only 1 point something, 4r by root 3 becomes 4 by approximately less than 1, so it is not equal to, so here the length will be little greater than compared to the simple cubic, because it must include one more atom at the center, so it the size of the cube enlarges to a little extent. Okay, then we can come to this next type, that is a face-centered cubic crystal. In this we have the coordination number n is equal to 12. 12 atoms are at the nearest neighbor. So here n is equal to that satisfy the condition of closely packed structure. In this case, you can see one atom is at 8 atoms at the corners, and one atom is at the base of center of each bases. So suppose we consider the diagonal of a face, we can see one atom here you can see and one atom here and one atom here. So this distance at the center atom you have the distance of 2r, then here you have a distance of half r, and here also you have a distance of r. So at the diagonal, that is the diagonal of a base, here it is the diagonal of the base, and that will be equal to 4r. Now you have to find out the relation between this a and r. Nearest neighbor distance, that is 2r, will be equal to, in this case 2r is equal to, or 4r is equal to root of a square. 4r is equal to root 2a square. So 2r will be equal to root 2a by 2 or a by root 2. We get the expression like this: 2r is equal to a by root 2. From this, this distance will be equal to root of a square plus a square. 4r is equal to root of a square plus a square. So from this you will get 2r is equal to a by root 2. So number of atoms per unit cell, that is equal to, you can see 1 from each corners and 1 by 2 into 6 from 6 corners. So that is the total number of atoms are 4. So atomic packing factor is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. You can substitute the values here. A is equal to, from this it is 2 root 2 r. So you can substitute 2 root 2 r the whole cube. From this you will get the value as pi by 3 root 2 or 0.74. So 74% is the atomic packing factor in this case. So it is a closely packed structure. FCC is a closely packed structure. Now in this case, body-centered cubic crystal, you have the examples. Chromium is there, molybdenum, then lithium, potassium, sodium, rubidium, cesium chloride, etc. are examples for body-centered cubic crystal. Now for the face packed structure, we have the examples of metals: copper, silver, then aluminium, then gold, nickel, platinum, palladium are examples for this face FCC structures. Then next type of closely packed structure is a hexagonal closely packed structure. That also you have studied in your degree class, where you can see the atoms are arranged in a hexagonal manner. That is 6 corners of a hexagon is the atoms are there. Then we have a distance. It is not in the shape of a cubic structure. In that case, in order to find out the volume for this part, you can see your degree textbooks. So the volume of a hexagon, it will be 3 by 2 root 3 into a square c, where c is the height of the hexagon. So base area into height will be equal to the area of the volume of the hexagon. So this c stands for which one? The area, height of the hexagon. So the nearest neighbor distance you can find here. So this is the coordination number, n is equal to 2. The number of atoms per unit cell, n is equal to 6 here. Number of atoms per unit cell, how can you find out? 6 corners are there. So n is number of atoms per unit cell in this case will be, and per unit cell we have 6 atoms can be shared. Then each side length of the hexagon 2r will be equal to a, that is 6 atoms are at the corners of a regular hexagon. So രണ്ട് ആറ്റം സൈഡിൽ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് ആറ്റം ഇങ്ങനെ അടുത്തടുത്ത് മുട്ടി നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ അതാണ് ഒരു സൈഡ് ലെങ്ത് വരിക, അത് 2r ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നുണ്ടാവുക, അതാണ് സൈഡ് ലെങ്ത് വരുന്നുണ്ടാവുക. പിന്നെ ഒരു ഹെക്സഗൺ ആയിട്ട് ക്ലോസ്ലി പാക്ഡ് ആക്കി നമ്മൾ പാക്കിംഗ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിനായിട്ട് അടുത്ത് ചുറ്റും എത്ര വെക്കാൻ പറ്റും, 6 ഹെക്സഗൺ ക്രോസ് ആയിട്ട് വെക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നിയറസ്റ്റ് നൈബർ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ആറ്റംസ് പെർ യൂണിറ്റ് സെല്ലിൽ എത്രയായി വന്നത്, 6 ആയിട്ട് വന്നത്. നൗ ദ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ദിസ് C/A റേഷ്യോ വിൽ ബി 8/3 റേസ് ടു ഹാഫ്. ഇതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡിഗ്രി ടെക്സ്റ്റ് കാണാൻ പറ്റും, ചിലപ്പോൾ ചോദിക്കാം, എവിടെയും ചോദിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ ആ പാട്ട് ഒന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കണം. ആ ഫിഗർ വരച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മളൊരു ഹെക്സഗന്റെ ഫിഗർ വരച്ച് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു വോളിയം കാണുന്ന ഒരു പാട്ട്, അതുപോലെ അതിന്റെ C/A റേഷ്യോ കാണുന്ന ഒരു പാട്ടൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും. സോ ഈ കേസിൽ നമ്മുടെ അറ്റോമിക് പാക്കിംഗ് ഫാക്ടർ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 6 × 4/3 πr³ divided by, then here you have to substitute the volume directly. You can substitute the volume here. So it is 3/2 into √3a²c. You can substitute here and it is found to be APF, that the value is obtained to be πa³ divided by 3√3/2a²c. So and it is also found to be 0.74. So in the case of FCC and HCP, hexagonal close packed structure, the packing factor is found to be 0.74. That is it is closely packed structures. So most of the metals are in the metal of this type of structure. And the example for metals which has this structure is magnesium, then zinc, cadmium, titanium, then nickel, etc. are of hexagonal close packed structures. Okay.